Dear Professor, my name is Hu Shuangyu, and the presentation I'm going to give is about blockchain. Blockchain is not a technology revolution, it's a trust revolution. I will introduce it in three parts. The first chapter is about the origin of blockchain. The second chapter is about the characteristics of blockchain. And the second chapter is about the working principle of blockchain. Blockchain is a distributed ledger technology, a technical solution for a group to maintain a reliable database in a decentralized, trustless manner. The concept of blockchain technology was first proposed by Satoshi Nakamoto in 2008. When it comes to the origin of blockchain, one has to mention the story of Byzantine general. The Byzantine emperor sends 10 armies to attack an enemy that can defend against 5 armies at the same time. And these 10 armies cannot break through in a single point and must attack separately at the same time. The problem is that when multiple generals don't trust each other, some kinds of distributed protocol is needed for remote coordination in order to ensure a consistent attack in this state. If each general sends a messenger to 9 other generals for a total of 19 transmissions, each general will receive 10 messages, possibly each with a different time of attack. In addition, some traitors will deliberately agree to more than one attack time, so they will rebroadcast more than one message chain. The system becomes a mixture of unreliable information and inconsistent attack time. At the end of Byzantine general story, mathematicians have designed an algorithm that allows generals to receive information from a previous general, add their own signature, and then forward to other generals besides themselves. Such information modules form a blockchain. Having discussed the origin of blockchain, next will talk about its characteristics. There are 3 typical characteristics of blockchain. Blockchain has 3 typical characteristics. It is decentralized and trustless. These 2 characteristics make blockchain technology widely applicable in various fields, such as finance and supply chain management. Blockchain transactions are transparent and both parties are anonymous. This ensures the variability and openness of transactions, which helps prevent fraud. Blockchain also has immutability and traceability, ensuring data integrity and credibility and preventing data tampering. In the third part, I will discuss the working principles of blockchain. In the third part, I will discuss the working principle of blockchain. The working principles of blockchain can be divided into 8 main steps. The first step is that a user initiates a transaction, which is then sent. The second step is that the transaction is broadcast to all nodes in the blockchain network and stored in the temporary pool. The third step is selecting transactions from the temporary pool for verification. The first step is that nodes create a new block by solving complex mathematical problems. The fifth step is broadcasting the newly created block to all nodes in the network. The next step is adding the new block to the local nodes, becoming the latest part of the blockchain. The seventh step is ensuring that all nodes reach a consensus on the blockchain state through a consensus mechanism. The eighth step is obtaining rewards, which incentivize the miners to participate in block verification and creation. This concludes my presentation. Thank you for listening, Professor.